Have you ever pondered the magnitude of a nation's commitment to preserve peace and protect its citizens? One of the most striking examples of such commitment is Israel's Iron Dome. It's not just a defense system, it's a symbol of resilience and technological prowess. The Iron Dome, as its name suggests, serves as a protective shield, a dome of iron, if you will, over the cities of Israel. But how does this remarkable system function? It's actually quite fascinating. Born out of necessity to intercept low-tech rockets, the Iron Dome, developed by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems with a generous backing from the United States, came into operational existence in 2011. This truck-towed unit is a marvel of modern technology, equipped to direct radar-guided missiles against short-range threats such as rockets, mortars, and drones. Now, imagine a scenario where thousands of rockets are being fired into a country. This was the reality for Israel in October of 2023 when Hamas launched an onslaught. The Iron Dome rose to the occasion, intercepting these threats with a success rate of around 90%. But how does the Iron Dome achieve this? The system is designed to provide city-sized coverage against rockets with ranges from 4 to 70 kilometers. Over time, as the system has been constantly improved and upgraded, this range has been significantly expanded. The Iron Dome operates on a simple yet effective strategy. It's a game of numbers and cost effectiveness. The interceptors that the Iron Dome uses, known as Tamir missiles, are relatively inexpensive when compared to their counterparts. Each Tamir missile costs around $50,000, which may seem like a lot until you compare it to the multimillion-dollar Patriot missile. Ankit Panda of the US-based Carnegie Endowment for International Peace puts it into perspective by reminding us that the price of not stopping an incoming threat must also be considered. In the grand scheme of things, the cost of each Tamir missile is but a small price to pay for the preservation of peace and the protection of human lives. In summary, the Iron Dome is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of peace. It's a system that intercepts threats, protects cities, and saves lives. It's a symbol of resilience, a beacon of hope, and a dome of iron that stands tall and firm in the face of adversity. The Iron Dome is not just a defense system, it's a promise of safety and a commitment to peace.
Thanks friends for watching patiently, and friends, kindly like and subscribe to our channel. Here you will get all the current event updates and all the valuable information which are important for day-to-day life. Thank you and good luck friends.